Hi everyone, I'm Shreya from Online Help Guide, and in this video I'll show you how to find and delete tagged comments on Facebook. Ever been tagged in a Facebook comment and don't want to be? Whether it's about reducing notifications or simply not wanting the tag, here's how you can remove it. First of all, open your Facebook app. Then click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Then tap on See Your Profile. Click on the three dots right next to the Edit Profile. Then choose the Activity Log option. Click on your Facebook activity. Scroll down and then choose Activity you are tagged in. Then choose Manage Tags option. Now you will see all activities where you are tagged in, post, comments, photos, etc. To remove the tag, tap on the three dots next to the comment you are tagged in. Select Remove Tag to untag yourself. The comment will still exist, but you won't be tagged anymore and notifications will stop. Then tap on Remove to confirm the changes. And that's how you can find and delete tagged comments on Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos.